Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about idioms and phrases. Do you know there are more than 25,000 idioms and phrases in English? We can't learn all, but I'll try to cover all the basic and interesting idioms in this video and upcoming series of idioms and phrases. But before starting, I want everyone to please subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet, as you will be receiving more lessons related to this and other topics timely. So idioms and phrases is nothing new. It's same like in Hindi we have मुहावरे, कहावतें, जैसे पांचों उंगलियों में घी होना, भीगी बिल्ली बनना, मुंह पर नाक ना होना, दांत खट्टे करना और भी बहुत हैं. पर जैसे इनका भी आप मतलब समझते वक्त वर्ड टू वर्ड ट्रांसलेशन नहीं करते. जैसे 5 उंगलियां घी में होना तो सच में उंगलियां घी में नहीं होती, पर उनके पीछे काल्पनिक मतलब होता है. वैसे ही इंग्लिश में idioms and phrases होते हैं. Idiom is an expression or phrase whose meaning doesn't relate to literal meaning of words. It has figurative meaning. Figurative means imaginative. So have a look on our first idiom. Hit the book. To study hard. ऐसे ही हम इसका लिटरल मीनिंग निकालें तो हम कहेंगे टू पंच और स्लैप रीडिंग बुक्स, बट नो, it simply means to study hard. As someone says, do you want to play basketball? No thanks, I'm going to hit the books. I have an exam coming up soon. Or if you want to come first, you have to hit the books. A couch potato. A person who watches a lot of television and has a inactive lifestyle. जो कोई काम ना करे, बस सारा दिन टीवी देखे और बस पड़ा रहे वहाँ. So he watches TV and eats junk food all day. He's such a couch potato. Next is a white elephant. An expensive item that is troublesome or useless. Of no use. Just like your showpieces or your antiques. कोई भी महंगी चीज़ पर आपके किसी काम की नहीं. A new office block has become an expensive white elephant. हिंदी में कहते हैं ना हाथी पाल लिया. A piece of cake. When something is piece of cake, it is very easy to do. जैसे हम कहते हैं अरे बहुत आसानी से होने वाला, मेरे तो ये बाएं हाथ का खेल है. वैसे ही I was worried about the maths test, but it was a piece of cake. I got 100%. I'll make your English learning a piece of cake. To sell like hot cakes. जब कोई चीज़ कम टाइम में बिक जाए, हाथों हाथ बिकना जिसको कहते हैं. If something sells like hot cakes, lots of people buy it in a short time. You may also see or hear go like hot cakes with the same meaning. The new scooters are selling like hot cakes. Do you like my video?